wooden case for chain electric hoist, that is the SC model chain electric hoist. Now we have the hoist inside and all chain collector and the instruction manual inside the wooden case. Now we will open the wooden case and keep it aside. This is the SC3 model. This is the SC3 model, single speed SC model, and here we have SC2, SC3, and SC4 capacity, SC5 capacity, and SC6 capacity. We have 250 kg, 500 kg, 1 ton capacity, 2 ton capacity, 2.5 ton capacity, then 3 ton capacity, 4 ton capacity, 5 ton capacity, and 6 ton capacity. Various capacities are there in this SC model. Also, we have the single speed hoist and double speed hoist. Double speed is we have VFD drive in case of the double speed hoist, and we can adjust the speed with the help of VFD drive. We have the same motor for SC2 model. Then likewise for SC3 model is another motor, for SC4 hoist is another motor, and for SC4 hoist, SC5 hoist and SC6 hoist, we have the different motors. We can get all this information on the instruction manual. This is the instruction manual. When we open up the box, we get the hoist of the particular order. We get the chain connector of the hoist. We have this total hoist, and the hoist will be with the pendant. We have the hoist with the fixed suspension. Then it is the trolley suspension, that is push-pull trolley, gear trolley, and electric trolley. And electric trolley, we have the speed of 70 meters per minute. In some cases, special cases, we have drive for that trolley also, and that speed can be the various speed can be adjusted in the trolleys also. But in standard case, the speed is 70 meters per minute. Now we have this motor. We have this gear rotary limit switch. We have this load chain, and this is the lower block. We have the thrust bearing in this lower block. Because of this thrust bearing, we can rotate the load for 360 degrees as per our requirement. Then the chain is chain collector. The chain is automatically get connected, so that there is no hurdle between the load which is to be lifted or any equipment to be lifted. There is no any obstacle. And this we have the trolleys. These trolleys can be adjusted as per the required beam size which the customer has. The customer has the particular beam size. Yeah, it can be the straight beam or it can be the tapered I-beam. That is, our trolley wheels are suitable for the straight path and the curved path also, and that can be adjusted. We have this extra washers on both the sides of the load axles, and that can be adjusted. This washer can be adjusted inside, so that we can maintain the particular flange width of the trolley. First, we have to just mount the trolley on the I-beam, and then we can also mount the hoist on the trolley. This is the instruction manual or the catalog, which is packed in the case, that is the wooden case, and this is very important documents for any user, and we can get every information that is what is to be done or what is not to be done, that is clearly written this instruction, and then how you will do the erection of the hoist, that is also there, that is the maintenance of the hoist, that is also there, and everything is covered in this catalog, and this is the Bible for the any user, that should be kept very safely in your custody, so that you can use that whenever it is required.